What's up everybody, Jonathan from Rimz 1. This is our latest build. It's pretty awesome. Check it out. This 2016 F-350 has a BDS 6-inch 4-link suspension system with Fox 2.0s in the front and Fox shocks in the rear. Also has dual Fox steering stabilizers up front to help it ride nice and smooth. The wheel and tire setup on this truck is a fuel lethal 2-piece 20x10 black lip chrome center. The tires are 37 1350/20 Toyo Open Country MT. This truck also has an excellent hitch system on it from Gen Y. It has the 15-inch drop torsion hitch. The front and rear bumpers on this truck are from A.R.E. Offroad, the Honey Badger series. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well. Also, check out our latest swag that is posted up on the website. We got these new shirts. Pretty awesome. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, call in to 1-800-710-9411.